Let's make jerk steak empanadas. Hey y'all, so I'm getting ready to season up the steak for our pepper steak empanadas. Okay, so what I have here is I have some thinly sliced steak meat. And so I have some onion powder, complete seasoning, salt, seasoned pepper, garlic powder, little saffron, green seasoning, my favorite, green seasoning. And of course, we gotta jerk it a little bit. So we have the DivineKuizine jerk rub, jerk seasoning, jerk rub that I'll go ahead and use. I want it a little spicy because the plantain is sweet. So I'm probably gonna do about 3 teaspoons. And this is a good, I like empanadas, and who doesn't like plantains? So put it together. You have some pepper steak, you have your empanadas, so it's gonna give it a sweet, kind of spicy taste. A little bit of olive oil. Just a little. And then I'm going to go in and just mix all this together. Put all the seasonings all together. And then we're gonna go ahead and put it in a saute pan, frying pan with our peppers and let it cook. And then we will start on our empanadas, our plantain empanadas. Put a little bit of olive oil in a pan. Jerk pepper steak in the pan. And we got some peppers and onions, different colors. I always like different color peppers. Have some thyme. And for a little more heat, we have a little bit of Scotch bonnet pepper. I'll come back, put a little bit of water in it, and let it steam. A bit of butter, about a tablespoon of butter. I'm gonna cover it with water. Down and get tender. Sweet plantains here in a bowl, and a little bit of cornstarch that we're gonna go ahead and put in them because we wanna get them sticky enough that we can make the empanada. And I have some flour as well. There's some flour. And I'm gonna play with it just to see. I'm gonna mash it together and then I'm gonna play with it to see the consistency of it. I really could have mashed them first and did this, but either way, probably be better to mash first and then put the flour in there. Roll it into a ball like this, and then I'm gonna put it, I'm gonna flatten it out into a disc, like so. And then we'll put our mixture in it. So I can do the first one. So I'm gonna take some of the jerk, get some of the peppers in there. One more. You don't have to put a lot in there. One more. Okay, so we got our steak meat. We got some mozzarella cheese here. I'm gonna go ahead and put on there as well. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna lift it up, flip it over, press down, you know, make that half moon. So press it all down. Then you're gonna take your fork, because you wanna make those little indents. You're gonna go around it like that, kind of pressing down a little bit. Then we're gonna go ahead and fry these babies up. me go in for the taste. Good. This is just so good. Like I said, it's sweet, it's spicy. Then you have that cheese, that mozzarella cheese in there. This is a must make. It was easy. This is like the perfect recipe for sweet, cheesy, and spicy. And then I put a little bit of the habanero pepper. So even with the jerk, it's hot, but then I kicked it up a notch with the habanero pepper. And then you have this sweet plantain. That was the empanada, like the empanada bread base. And then you had the cheese. This is a must make. Delicious, delicious, delicious. To get these recipes and more, go to DivineKuizine.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button. So every time that I have a new video out, you'll be notified. Chef Shay, love y'all.